A warm good morning, class. Today we are going to see an important topic in non-metallic materials, which is ceramics. Right. So previously we have seen a number of materials. Okay. A number of metallic materials like steel, cast iron, or aluminium, or alloys, etc. So here you can see from this. From the metallic materials, this non-metallic materials, even though the metallic materials are in the picture, the non-metallic materials comes into the day-to-day activity, which because they those non-metallic materials have their own properties like some corrosion resistance, or even strength, when compared to aluminum or like metallic materials. So in that case, you can see these non-metallic materials are very much useful uh, for the industrial and the day-to-day applications, right? So the next one is, when we come to the ceramic. Ceramic is a non-organic and it's a non-metallic material that is commonly used in electricals and thermal insulators that are brittle and composed of more than one element. And for example, if you see in Al2O3, you can see aluminum is one of the part, and yeah, aluminum is one element, and oxygen is the other element, which is Al2O3, which is aluminum. Okay, so these ceramic cups and these types of utensils are made up of these ceramics. So they are non-metallic, and of course they are most commonly comes to the picture because of its electrical and the thermal insulating property. Okay, so when we comes to the next one, it is nothing but the its properties, which is Al2O3, which is ceramic. It is aluminum. So we'll see the applications, then we'll come to the properties, right? So the main application is that first one, it is a field lab. So you can see in if you see, it's a bent pipe, so that you can see there's a gap in here. So these gaps are filled by the cellophane tapes, or nowadays it is filled by the alumina tips. Okay, and in next to this, it is used as a catalyst. It is used as a purification, where these aluminum oxides are used as a purifier in the purification process, and they are used in the abrasive materials. This aluminum is used as a paint, and sometimes it's a composite fiber, and it is mainly used in the sodium vapor lamps. And nowadays these aluminum oxides are used in the spark plug insulators. These are the spark plugs. So once, if you see, if you remove the spark plug from the engine part, you can see this white layer. It's a white area. These are nothing but the alumina. Okay, so this Al2O3 is the spark plug insulators, and it is used in the health and medical application, where you can see, if this is the total hip. So as like this marrow joints, you can see this these cups are made, that is prosthetic prostheses. These are made up of this aluminium, right? So sorry, alumina. Okay, so the next one, so in apart from this, you can see, so if you see that, so because of these applications, yeah, so if you are using these alumina in a certain application, you can see, uh, so it is widely a cost effective ceramic material. It is a high thermal conductivity as it conducts heats, and it's a wear and corrosion resistance. This wear and corrosion resistance is the most important thing when we come implants into the picture. So the implants what we are implanting into the human body should have the wear and corrosion resistance in order to avoid the uh, avoid damages to the human parts, right? So high strength and stiffness, this part comes under the when it is used for the abrasives. Okay, so this chemical and thermal stability is that this Al2O3, that ceramics, is used as the spark plug, where the thermal stability and chemical stability is much more important in order to have the in order to withstand the heat. So this is a very good electrical insulator. So because of this property only, it is used in the spark plugs on very high compression strength. Apart from this, these have very high hardness resistance to strong acid and alkali at the elevated temperature. So means this part and low density. With these two applications, you can easily see these aluminum, that is Al2O3. It is used in the high temperature applications, where this acid comes into the picture, where we cannot use the metallic parts which will be corroded by the acids. So on that area you can use this type of aluminum oxides, Al2O3 parts, in order to handle the strong acids. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll see the next ceramic in the next video.